Good afternoon, everyone. This evening, we are here to discuss a very important topic that's buzzing around in the country on Dalmia News Channel. I am your host for the evening, Dinesh Shetty,
with your co-host Rakesh Roy.
and today we are here to discuss should weed be legal in India. Before we start this debate, I would like to introduce the elite panel. The people who will be speaking in support of weed are social activist Mr. Rohan Desai, MBA student Megha Poddar, and a weed enthusiast Ms. Kavya Agarwal.
Hold on. Unfortunately, our lead expert on weed is absent today, Mr. Mohit Poddar. But Tavya will be replacing him.
Yeah. Sorry for the inconvenience. And the elite panel who will be speaking against the weed are Dr. Shivnandan Galas, a PhD holder, environmentalist Ms. Siddhi Manjrekar, and some random dude we found on the street. So before we begin today's debate, Rakesh, would you like to add anything?
No, I'm good.
So I would like Ms. Kavya to begin this debate.
He seems already high, man.
Alright guys, so telling you about weed, can you tell me any of the fight on the streets are done because of weed? Can you tell me if a person is drinking, mostly people engage in fights, but weed never lets you fight. It gives you creativity and makes you more creative, more imaginative, and makes you hallucinate about it.
Because after having weed, you don't know what you are doing.
I'll give you one thing. Weed is the one of the most pain release in the world. There are many scientists who use weed as an which helps in increase in appetite during chemotherapies, because that time we feel the most nauseatic.
Yeah, but that is what it causes addiction. It's not good for the overall health of the human, right?
But it also helps in boosting your agriculture sector. Food tax.
Please continue.
Please go on. We are short on time, Ms. Megha.
Okay, so I'll tell you, I will like to continue her point. We can increase the income and tax liability, not the tax liability, but the tax income for the government also, because one of the most major source of income can be from exportation of wheat.
Spoken like a true enthusiast, I would like this panel to continue.
I'd like to add a point. According to Lancet Psychiatry, it's been confirmed that consuming weed can lead to psychosis up to 5 times more as compared to any other substance. So what's your take on this?
I will like to add a point. A person who is insomniac, it helps them to sleep. What is better than sleep in this world?
Correct. But there are other medications as well. Mine only specific.
Paracetamol is also there in this world.
Correct.
What would you like the most, weed or paracetamol?
But people are not addicted with paracetamol.
Sorry to cut you off, Mr. Nandans, but if you take 14 paracetamols in one night, it will be the last headache of your life. But if you smoke 40 spliffs in one night, you will wake up refreshed as ever.
Okay.
Continue.
Pete, Rohan, would you like to add something?
Yes. Take right and replace the illegal J with the legal paper, legalize the.
Okay, I have a question for the panel. Alright, so as you can see, there are tapris selling rolling cones and papers. So what are your thoughts on that?
I would like to add a point in this. If you were aware about the go-go, it's one of the most reasonable thing to hold the weed in there. And if you sell it,
I would like to cut you off, Ms. Agrawal. GoGo is not an object. GoGo is a company that sells rolling paper, like Stash Pro and Bauchi.
thank you for
Continue.
proving my point.
Jesus.
So that will also help to increase the profit margin for the companies by selling of the weed.
Would you like to counter, Mr. Parikh?
So I don't consume such products, but then. So why are you? I mean, just in oppose of it, like in India, people can't even drive us on the road that we normally. You are consume weed.
I would like to counter that.
Like my friend Varun, yesterday just for a 500-meter walk, he didn't have an accident. And he said he can have a weed and walk on the roads and let's go.
Bro, you fly on road after having weed.
I will like to add some point. when it comes to mental health, anxiety, depression, all this can be cured because of consumption of weed.
What about physical health?
Physical health is not being harmed during consumption.
We'll come back to it.
We'll get back to you.
It's Ayurvedic dua, man.
Running out of things, you just got the half an hour or 1 hour or 2 hours or 4 hours just you've been chill, and the problems are the same. You are being in the same place. You
We'll
can't
do
just-
one more talk after that.
Yeah.
Like suppose you have an exam, they just took that we Lord, we will pass the exam by this thing.
You know, most of the directors who have the creativity, level of creativities are coming from that level of thinking that is only
We just feel like Einstein used to have a way to just before making such things.
I would like to add one point to that, Mr. Parekh. Weed is, Mr. Parekh, I'm talking to you, Kya? Marijuana is completely legal in 9 countries and indirectly legal in 23 countries. Do you think those countries are retarded?
Exactly, it depends upon the culture.
Have you heard of this musician called Snoop Dogg? He's about to touch 60, he still looks 30, still making good music. Willie Nelson, he's 91, he's still fit. So why are you against weed?
he's the radical guy who is found on street and without Rolex.
So it's just like one and the two. It's the same in case of liquor. In my building, there are many guys who used to drink. One of the guy who used to drink about from 40 years, he's still alive, and one of the guy who is drinking from 7 years, he has passed away. It's the same thing. There are different cases.
But today's debate is not on liquor.
No, same case in the same case it can be only one or the one or.
Alcohol is expensive and weed is cheating.
Much also.
And it is not that harmful. Alcohol is more harmful.
Cheaper things are scam.
But weed is not that nothing comparison to alcohol.
I have a point. I want to make a point. Let's say, for example, let's legalize weed, but who's going to control
You
it?
agree that we should like weed?
Medically.
It's a hypothetical situation.
It's a hypothetical
Alright.
situation.
Answer him.
Sorry, can you repeat?
I said that let's say that marijuana is legalized.
Okay.
Then how are you supposed to control that? How many people are consuming them? Like how are you supposed to?
So how are you controlling the exportations of alcohol and other fast trigger drugs? They are also drugs.
Yeah.
So this can also be controlled. In many countries, it is also legal. So the way they are controlling, we can adapt the same outlines and the models and everything. We can control that way. That's very simple.
Can you explain one of those ways?
So, I have a question. Suppose you have a small younger brother in your house, like you said, it is your points.
Continue.
Yeah, you say it increase your consciousness, it increase your thinking power. So, at night you used to read your brother every day. The be.
I like don't come on.
Tell me, you give it or not?
You are getting personal, mister. Whatever.
No. It's not, if you are saying if it is it should be legalized, then it will be also consumed by your family.
Does your family consume medication? They are also drugs. We can legalize.
So it's like you're saying,
Mr. Bari, there are certain things that has to be done within an age limit. My grandfather, he had Alzheimer's, so he used to take those medicines. That does not mean if I take those medicines, my memory will get sharper.
Exactly.
Yeah, but Ms. Kavya, you said about the creative ones, right? It enhances creativity. What about the non-creative ones? What about the
That's what I'm saying. That will active your right cerebellum. That will increase your creativity. If you're not creative and you started hallucinating, and if you started thinking in a very creative manner, that will increase your creativity.
Correct. Agreed about that. Okay. But what about the professions which don't creativity in that?
Time consciousness. So as we are short on time, I would like someone to wrap this up
Yeah.
before we finish this off.
Conclude, I would like my audience to tell me who are in the favor for legalizing the weed. That's it.
इनको एक बार ट्राई करवाना पड़ेगा.
even the audience knows it should not be legalized in a country like India because it cannot
My
be.
audience is shy kusse pare.
I think that's about it. Time to wrap this up. We are short on time. Thank you for being with us. Thank you so much. This is Dinesh Shetty signing off with my co-host Rakesh Roy on Dalmia News. Thank you so much.